You sit down after a long day. You open your laptop. There are 5 different streaming services on the screen, and you have no idea which one to choose. Today, you will follow a man named David as he tries to choose a streaming plan. Along the way, you will learn 6 important English words: subscription, trial, cancel, upgrade, content, and monthly. Let's begin the story. David is 34 years old. He lives alone in a small apartment in the city. He works as a graphic designer during the day. In the evenings, David likes to relax. He enjoys watching films and TV series. But recently, his favorite video website closed down. Now he needs a new place to watch his shows. His colleague at work, a woman named Priya, tells him about streaming services. She says there are many good ones now. That evening, David opens his laptop and starts to search. He types, "Best streaming service for movies and TV." Many results appear. He sees several websites. Each one offers a subscription. A subscription is a plan where you pay regularly, usually every month, to use a service. David thinks about this word. He already has a subscription to a music app. He pays every month and he can listen to any song he wants. A streaming subscription works the same way. He looks at the first website. It has 3 plans: basic, standard, and premium. The prices are different. The more you pay, the more you can do. David reads carefully. The basic plan is the cheapest, but there are advertisements. He does not like advertisements when he watches TV. The standard plan has no advertisements. It costs more, but David can watch on 2 screens at the same time. That means he can watch on his laptop and his tablet. The premium plan is the most expensive. You can watch on 4 screens and the picture quality is the best. David lives alone, so he does not need 4 screens. Then David notices something very interesting. There is a button that says, "Start your free trial." A trial is a short period where you can try something before you decide to pay for it. This trial lasts 30 days. For 1 month, David can use the service for free. He thinks this is a very good idea. He can try it and see if he likes it. If this story is helping you learn English, tap the like button. It helps other learners find this video. David clicks the button and begins the trial. He chooses the standard plan for his trial. He enters his email address and creates a password. The website asks for his credit card number. David feels a little nervous. He wonders, will they charge me money now? He reads the small text carefully. The small text says, "We will not charge you during your free trial. After 30 days, your subscription will begin automatically." David understands. He will not pay anything today. He also reads, "You can cancel at any time." Cancel means to stop or end something. If David decides he does not like the service, he can cancel his subscription and stop paying. David feels better now. He clicks Start Free Trial. A welcome message appears on the screen. He is now inside the streaming service. The homepage shows many things to watch. There are films, TV series, documentaries, and comedy shows. David looks at all of this with wide eyes. All of these things, the films, shows, and documentaries, are called content. Content means the things you can watch, read, or listen to on a platform. The streaming service has a lot of content. David explores the content. He finds a detective series that looks interesting. He also finds a nature documentary that he wants to watch later. He starts watching the detective series. The first episode is 1 hour long. He watches it from beginning to end and enjoys it very much. The next day at work, David tells Priya about the streaming service. He says, "I started a free trial last night. There is so much content." Priya smiles. She says, "Yes, I have a subscription to that one too. I pay monthly. It is not very expensive. Monthly means once every month. Priya pays the price one time each month. Priya also tells David about the premium plan. She says, I upgraded last year. It was a good decision because the picture is beautiful on my big TV. David asks, what does upgrade mean? Priya explains, upgrade means to move to a better or higher level. I was on the basic plan, and I moved to premium. That is an upgrade. David nods. He understands. He is on the standard plan. If he wants better picture quality, he can upgrade to premium. But that will cost more money monthly. The days pass. David watches the detective series every evening. He finishes all 10 episodes in 2 weeks. He is very happy with the service. But then something happens. One evening, David wants to watch a new film. He finds it on the service, but there is a small lock symbol next to it. He clicks on the film. A message appears. This content is available on the premium plan only. Please upgrade to watch this film. David feels a little frustrated. He really wants to watch this film. He goes to the settings page to look at the prices again. The standard plan costs €8 monthly. The premium plan costs €13 monthly. The difference is €5 each month. David thinks about this. €5 is not very much money. And with premium, he can also watch in better quality on his TV. He recently bought a new smart TV. He decides to upgrade. He clicks the button that says Upgrade to Premium. The website asks him to confirm his choice. He clicks Yes, upgrade my plan. A new message appears. Your plan has been upgraded to premium. Your monthly payment will now be €13. David smiles. He is now a premium subscriber. He goes back to the film and presses play. The picture is very clear and sharp. The sound is excellent. David is very pleased with his decision. 2 weeks later, David gets an email. The email says, your free trial is ending in 3 days. Your subscription will begin automatically. David remembers. The 30-day trial is almost finished. He thinks about this. Does he want to continue the subscription? He asks himself some questions. Has he used the service a lot? Yes. Does he enjoy the content? Yes. Is the price acceptable? He thinks so. David decides to keep the subscription. He does not cancel it. He lets the trial end and the subscription begin. €13 monthly. He is happy to pay this. But David also tells his friend Marcus about the service. Marcus is interested. David helps him find the website and start his own free trial. Marcus starts with the basic plan because he wants to save money. He does not mind some advertisements. For him, the basic subscription is enough for now. After 1 week, Marcus calls David. He says, the content is really good, but the advertisements are very annoying. I want to move to standard. David laughs. He says, welcome to the upgrade journey. Marcus upgrades his plan. Now he pays €8 monthly. He is happy with no advertisements. He tells David, this is so much better. I should have done this from the start. Months pass. David continues to enjoy his premium subscription. He watches films, series, and documentaries every week. He feels it is very good value for €13 monthly. One day, David checks his bank statement. He sees that he has 4 different subscriptions in total. He pays for streaming video, music, an online newspaper, and a fitness app. He adds the prices together. He spends about €40 monthly on subscriptions. He thinks, that is a lot of money. Do I use all of them? He thinks carefully. The fitness app. He has not opened it in 2 months. He decides to cancel that subscription. He opens the app and finds the cancel button. He clicks cancel. A message appears. Are you sure you want to cancel? He clicks Yes. Another message says, your subscription has been canceled. You can still use the app until the end of the month. David feels good. He saved some money. He still has his streaming subscription, his music subscription, and his newspaper subscription. Those three he uses every week. The lesson from David's story is simple. Before you pay for a subscription, try to find a free trial. Use the trial to check if you like the content. If you like it, keep the subscription. If you do not, cancel before the trial ends. Also, start with a lower plan. You can always upgrade later if you need more, and check your subscriptions every few months. Cancel the ones you do not use. Now let's review the 6 key words from today's story. The first word is subscription. A subscription is a plan where you pay regularly to use a service. David has a streaming subscription. The second word is trial. A trial is a short period to try something before you pay. David used a 30-day free trial to try the streaming service. The third word is cancel. Cancel means to stop or end something. David canceled his fitness app subscription because he did not use it. The fourth word is upgrade. Upgrade means to move to a better or higher level. David upgraded from the standard plan to the premium plan. The fifth word is content. Content means the things you can watch, read, or listen to on a platform. The streaming service has a lot of content: films, series, and documentaries. The sixth word is monthly. Monthly means once every month. David pays €13 monthly for his premium streaming subscription. Well done for watching all the way to the end. You just practiced real English through a real-life story. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to Fluent Story English and tap the bell so you never miss a daily lesson. Now, write one sentence in the comments using one of today's words: subscription, trial, cancel, upgrade, content, or monthly. And share this video with a friend who is learning English. See you in the next story.